All right, now that these Rubik's Cubes are all scrambled up, I'm going to do something a little bit fun.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right.
On time.
It's tricky. It's the right. Here we go.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond. Twinkle, twinkle.